What's up, guys? My name is John. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to give you just a little update on the LPH Max by LetPot Hydroponics System. It's doing pretty good, so I'm pretty excited about it, where it's going. It's been running for, I don't really know. Let me double check. It's been running for about 25 days, and this is what we got going on. So let's go ahead and I'm going to switch you around and take a look. I also got a couple other things over here on the little shelf. I did finally get it moved out of my wife's kitchen, so that's a good thing. I lived to survive another day. So let's take a look. All right, so here it is in the corner of our living room. I did have a 10-gallon fish, or a 10-gallon aquarium over here. I had some shrimp and some snails and different stuff in it. But so I got that moved out and I got that merged into another tank. So here it is. So I've got a couple of things going. Right here in this corner, I'm trying out some Venus fly traps. They're doing okay. I did get them transplanted into like a little bitty, it's a bonsai, a plastic bonsai pot with a tray. I have two plants in there initially. There are two of the little plants that you could buy at the store in there initially. One you can barely see right there. It's okay. And then, of course, the one that's a little back there, it's doing better. Dogs, stop. And then here, I've got some fresh seeds that I put in the paper towel method. Anyways, but so I'm trying a couple of seed tests out there. But this is what we want to talk about. So if you look closely, both of the peppers in the middle have germinated. The one on the left right there is, of course, a little smaller. It took about 3 weeks. So it just came up earlier this week. The one on the right there has been up quite a while. You probably think I showed it in the last video. So those are both the lemon drop peppers. The two basil plants are doing fairly well. I could go ahead and harvest a couple of leaves off each one. And then the tomatoes, these micro tom tomatoes are got flowers. So they're doing super well. Like I said, 25 days. So this one here has got flowers in it on it as well. And then, so the cilantro, they're right there in the middle and the back. They have not sprouted. So I'm going to chalk that up to old seed, or maybe that it just doesn't like this type of system. I don't know. And then I've got some cuttings from a Christmas cactus that, to be honest, wasn't doing, the cuttings weren't doing that well. So I'm just trying to see if I could get any sort of roots on those. But those are really just an experiment. Those were basically lost anyways. So, but yeah, that's pretty much the system. But yeah, so the corner is doing pretty good. The system is doing good. Like I said, 25 days in. I still haven't had to add any nutrients or anything yet. It still seems to be fine on that. Of course, I don't have it full of plants, so I think that's going to play a part in not having to add nutrients as often. But so far, I'm super excited about just the progress, the way the system's working, being able to turn it off and on. When we sit down to watch a movie, we turn all the lights off as a family and we just kind of watch the movie. So I'm super excited about being able to just turn it off for the length of the movie without having to even get up off the couch, which is kind of lazy, but it's also super awesome because you can do it from basically anywhere. So, but yeah, I'm super excited. I'm actually considering getting another one. Don't tell the wife. But super excited with it. I'm already getting flowers on the tomatoes, so we should have some tomatoes forming pretty soon. If you have concerns about how you're going to get pollinated flowers inside, tomatoes and peppers are self-pollinating, so all you really have to do is just give them a shake. So we should be good there. But yeah, system's doing great. I'm super excited. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, really about anything you've seen in this video or anything else, pop it in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. It really does help the video and the channel get pushed out to more viewers. And that's pretty much it. If you haven't already liked, comment, and subscribed, do that. Subscribe for future updates. I'll be putting out more videos about this system, as well as other hydroponic systems that I'm going to have going on this spring and summer. So definitely subscribe so you can see those. Click the little bell icon so you can get notifications when I put out a new video. Other than that, guys, until next time, keep on growing.